Morning fence life. Jamie here, OP Fence. As promised yesterday, I'm doing a video about what is the best way to put in a fence tie. What is the strongest way? A lot of guys are saying his way is better than his way. My way is better. I learned mine in the 80s, so it's better. My dad taught me, or I'm third generation, or my grandfather taught me, so it's better. I'm going to show you how I do it my way. And I'm not saying that my way is the better way, but I know that my way is quite strong, so I've continued to do it that way. And I'm going to do two other ties that I don't tie, so I'm kind of going to assume that this is how other people are putting in ties. And then I'm going to do a little strength test. I'm going to kind of yank on the fence and see which tie holds. They might all hold, I don't know, but that's why we're doing this video. So here we go. So I'm going to show you how I do my tie. So I'm using 11 gauge vinyl coated wire. All three wires are the same, right? No trickery here. All right, bring that camera over there, Emily, so we can show these guys. So basically through, in and out, I'm going to loop the wire across, right? And now I'm going to pinch that wire nice and tight, pinched in. Bring this over, and I'm going to loop this a few times like this. There you go. So that's how I do my tie. So I'm looped over, right, tied twice. Okay, now I'm going to do the other way, which I've seen a few other guys do, which is through the top here. I've never done this, so I'm not even too sure if I'm doing this right. But here we go. So I'm going to hook it through the top. I'm going to pinch it over. I think this is how they're doing it. I don't know. All right, so now I'm going to bring that wire over the top of the top rail through the diamond like this, and I'm gonna wrap it a couple times just like I did on the other one. All right, so that's that. So as you can see, that's on the top. The first one is tucked in nicely. All right, now I'm going to do another way. I don't know, I'm just going to do a random tie here. So here we go. I'm just simple pinched. I'm in the top diamond. I'm not inside the loop here. Just here we go. Guy tie. All right. So actually, you know what? Come to think of it, I have seen my guys kind of do this. I've had to tell them to take it apart. All right. So we got the new guy tie. The tie through the top knuckle that I've seen online, guys claiming to be the best, and then the tie that I like to do in the way I was taught. So here, I'm going to do a little strength test here. I'm just going to kind of yank on the fence and see which one is stronger, which one busts. We don't know. I might even break the fence. This is only an 11 gauge fence here, so we'll see what happens. So they appear to be doing all the same. I'm yanking on this pretty good. Everything seems to be holding. Imagine that. Well, there you have it, guys. I was yanking on that pretty good. I'm 246 pounds. I mean, these wires, they held in pretty good. The fence is a little bent, but again, this is just an 11 gauge wire. Conclusion, all ties seem to be doing the same. So not one is stronger than the other.